It's time for Trig, right here, right now. Get a little bit of Trig, get a little bit of Trig. I was like, good gracious, so does my head hurt. Good gracious, don't know where to start. Sine, cosine, and tangent is too much. Should I try some identities now? We got reciprocal, Pythagorean, and then there's quotient. Oh, don't forget about even and odds. Sine over cosine equals tangent, and cosine over sine equals cotangent. Now let's take a deep breath. Sine squared theta plus cosine sine squared theta equals 1. Then rearrange them to get the rest, and those are Pythagoreans. My brain is getting confused. It's time to take a break. We are getting so confused. We want to take a big break. My brain is getting confused. It's time to take a break. We are getting so confused. We want to take a big break. The reciprocals are 1 over cosine equals secant. 1 over sine equals cosecant. Last but not least, 1 over tangent equals cotangent. Whoa, 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 that's a lot. Overloading, and now there's more. Don't forget about double angles. 2 cosine theta equals a lot. Even if you think it's easy, it's not. Cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. And 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. 2 sine theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. And we were like, woo, whoa, hot dang, what's going on in this room?
This is pretty gangster.
My brain is getting confused. It's time to take a break. We are getting so confused. We want to take a big break. Mix with a little bit of Trig, and a little bit of Trig. Looking for the right time to soak a toa. You might be like, whoa, what's that? Sine equals opposite over hypot. Cosine equals adjacent over hypot. And tangent equals opposite over adjacent. But remember, that's only for right triangles. And triangles equal 180 degrees. And when you're doing word problems, oh boy, do they get tricky. Don't forget about them alt-interior angles, because they will always be the same. Pythagorean theorem is easy peasy as long as you know it. It's leg squared equals hypot squared. If you want to go from point A to point B, there's only one thing you can really use, and that is square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And that is the distance formula. If you want to know more about a circle, just use x minus a squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. Don't worry about h and k, just fancy talk for the center. When trig gets too tricky, just use your calc. It's got sine, cosine, tangent, and inverses, plus much more. And one more thing before we end it. Always use parentheses or you won't get a floater.